In this video, I'll show you how to add a new employee in Gusto. Start by signing into your Gusto account and opening your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to People and click Add Employee. Next, enter the employee's basic information, including their name, email address, job title, and start date. Then select whether they're a full-time, part-time, or temporary employee, depending on your company's setup. After that, enter the employee's pay information, such as their salary or hourly rate, pay schedule, and work location. Review the details to make sure everything is accurate. Now send the employee an invitation to complete their onboarding. They'll be able to enter their personal information, tax forms, direct deposit details, and any other required documents through Gusto. Once the employee finishes onboarding, review their information in your dashboard and confirm that everything is complete before running payroll. Finally, make sure the employee appears in your payroll list so they'll be included in your next payroll run. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a new employee in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.